Hey there, welcome to the Tenere 700 Rally. This is the event, and the only one this year by the way, for owners of Australia's best-selling adventure bike, Tenere 700. So we've got owners of the standard model, we've got world raid owners, we're all coming together for a 5-day ride, primo trails around the Great Dividing Range, starting and finishing in Coffs Harbour. I'm looking forward to 5 days of awesome riding, hooking up with old mates, meeting new mates, bench racing, just seeing the setups, all the accessories fitted to the bikes, tyre selection for example, and on that front, we're joined on the rally by our good friends from Dunlop, who are supplying the all-new Trail Max Raid tyre for us to test, and we're really going to put that tyre through its paces over the next 5 days, as well as the Teneres, so keep a look out.
Oh mate, greasy as a butcher's handshake.
So that's a wrap for day one. We're here in beautiful Brooms Head, having ridden from Coffs Harbour. Took us all day, so we did go the long way. I think everyone enjoyed themselves. I certainly had a ball. I'm really looking forward for the next 3 or 4 days. We're going to head west.
Weather's come good, a little bit of rain overnight, conditions should be dust free.
You'll learn, you'll grow with us.
Put the phone away, wallet, lube the chain.
The rain's falling pretty hard, but we're enjoying it.
A little bit less hectic than yesterday morning.
Mate, that was bloody awesome. That last section that we just did then, mint.
We loved it. How was that last section? Through the forest, grippy, sandy.
Very good, excellent, amazing. I had a 790 before this, and the 790 don't even compare to the 790.
That was such an awesome kick, so.
Okay, so that's day 2 done and dusted. We're here in Tenterfield, home of Peter Allen, the great entertainer. People I've spoken to so far have all given him the massive thumbs up, and they're really looking forward to the next 3 days of the Tenere 700 Rally. Steve Parrish's Tenere 700. When did you buy it, Steve?
2020. Yeah, it's gone faultlessly.
So how many issues have you had in your
50,000 kilometres.
No mechanical issues, just normal maintenance items. Yes, this is my 20th RideADV ride.
Wow.
So, I've got all the stickers from all the rides to prove it. So I enjoy the regulars that keep coming along as well.
And the next 50,000.
Yes.
Well done.
Thank you. fantastic day. We were just winning all the way. A little bit of a shaky start with the weather, but
Yeah, wasn't it?
I managed to ride with Wally, which was good company. Unlike my fellow biker there, but I could have chosen about properly.
It's interesting. I enjoyed the morning, the slippery stuff. It was good.
Really? Are you a sadist?
Yeah, I like it. I like having the back hanging out.
Everybody's the step back.
Was it good?
Oh, this is.
How'd you go?
Really good. Had a great day. The views, you realise how lucky you are to be in Australia.
Did I tell you about the breakdown? No, there wasn't one. We did finish it off well with the creek, scrubby brush, and up over Benjamin Station Road. Those views, spectacular. Man, I'm telling you, almost look as good as you on a bike.
oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah, good.
It's awesome, great.
Would you go again?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, without a doubt.
How was the bike, all right?
Love it. Very addicted.
Had an absolute ball.
Good.
What a great time. Comfortable to sit on the road and capable in the trails.
Oh, excellent. Had a great time. Terrific. Can't think of a better time.
Excellent, mate. Had a great time.
No broken bones, so it's all good.
It was awesome. Just loved the rain. Makes my day. 4 seasons in a day. Could you ask for more?
Thank you, everyone! It's awesome! Rain suit, keep it dry. Don't get this weather in Queensland. It's always sunny.
Yeah, it was a great week.
Love it?
Really enjoyed it, loved it.
Hate it.
No, I loved it. Absolutely loved it.
5 days, no real injuries. As always, no breakdowns. What can I say?
So that's it for 2024. That was the rally this year. Next year, 2025, we're thinking of going to the Vic High Country, not yet confirmed, but stay tuned to rideadv.com.au or the Yamaha website events page. And if you've got a Tenere, make sure you get on the next one.